Okay, so in this video I will unbox a Samsung Galaxy A71 and I will also do some comparisons later on with other phones, physical comparison. But let's start with unboxing the Samsung Galaxy A71. Here is the box it comes in and it looks really good. This phone has a 6.7-inch display, so it's a quite huge phone actually. And it has a 64 megapixel camera and a 4500 milliampere battery, so that's nice. And as you can see here, it has 128 gigabyte of storage. Nice. It's a Prism Crush Black version. Prism Crush Black. So let's opening the box. Like that. Here is the phone itself. Let's do that later on. First, see what's more in the box. Here is some instructions and so on. And here is a SIM card pin. Nice. As you can see, instructions. Nice. And here we have the power plug. Nice. Really nice. And here we have a USB Type-C charging cable. Nice. And here we have some USB Type-C headphones. Nice. That's what's in the box actually. So let's start with the phone. As you can see, very neat packaging. Nice. Wow. It feels so nice in the hand. Very, very thin phone. This is very thin actually. 7.7 millimeter thick. Feels very good. It looks nice. Very neat. And here we have a SIM card tray and a micro USB slot. And at the bottom you can see, oh, it's a headphone jack. So sorry, these are not USB Type-C headphones. These are real 3.5 millimeter headphones. Sorry about that. And it has a USB Type-C plug for charging and the speaker itself, as you can see. And here we have the volume rocker and also the power button. And on this side we have the SIM card slot and the micro SD card slot. Sorry, I thought it was here because I see something there, but it's a microphone. Feels very good and looks nice, really nice. So let's turn it on. As you can see, Samsung Galaxy A71. By starting this phone, we can start with a physical comparison. Here we have a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. And as you can see, it's about the A71 is much higher, as you can see, and also wider a bit wider, so it's taller and wider, as you can see, than the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. Really nice. And as you can see, it's a very bright display, very bright, and it has a round hole at the top, exactly as the new Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. But the display looks gorgeous, actually. Really nice. Really nice. So the display is awesome, and also the camera looks good, 64 megapixel. So, but the comparison, as I said, it's about the same thickness. That's good. The same thickness. About the same, as you can see. Both phones have headphone jack. Nice. And compared to an iPhone 7, as you can see, the iPhone 7 is really tiny in comparison. As you can see, very tiny. So not much of a comparison there. Very tiny and huge bezel. Oh. So it's a huge phone compared to the iPhone 7. But let's see how it looks in comparison to the iPhone XS Max. Here we can see the phone, the Samsung Galaxy A71, in comparison to my iPhone XS Max. And as you can see here, the iPhone XS Max is smaller than the Galaxy A71. The A71 is much taller, much taller actually, but the iPhone XS Max is actually a bit wider. It's a bit wider. So the A71 is taller but not so wide, so it's easy to hold in the hand actually. Quite much easier than holding the iPhone XS Max in the hand. I like that. So The Galaxy A71 feels nicer in the hand, so you can hold it quite easily in comparison to the iPhone XS Max. And it's much lighter than iPhone XS Max. iPhone XS Max is a quite heavy phone actually. So, design-wise, the Samsung Galaxy A71 looks great and feels great, and the display is gorgeous. So, this phone, even if it's not the high-end phone, looks and feels great. So I think this could be a really good buy for many people, because phones nowadays are so expensive. So the Samsung Galaxy A71 could be a good choice for buying actually. It feels good. So that's about it for this video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need more subscribers, so do that. Okay, bye.